Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, if you're following my videos, then you must have seen a video where we have installed MASM. So we basically first installed DOSBox and then we installed MASM, and then we started DOSBox, mounted the MASM folder, and then we compiled a program. Okay. Now, after going through the entire process, I thought of it that this can be made a little bit simpler. So why can't we just write a script which does all these things automatically, right? So that is what this video is about. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a script, basically a repo that I've created. So the link of the repo, I will put it in the description box. Now, the easiest way to install MASM on your Windows 10 Plus or Windows 11 PC is using this method. Okay, so all you have to do is you just click here and download the zip. Once it is downloaded, extract it, and inside that you will find a setup file, right? A setup.bat file. Just double click on that, click run, and this will start the installation process. We'll just wait for it to finish. Now it installed DOSBox and it also started the DOSBox. Once the DOSBox window opens, we just need to close it once. Okay, so let's close it. So now you can see the setup is completed. Now we can press any key to quit, and that's it. That was the easiest way to install MASM. Let's check whether it works. Now you can see the DOSBox. If we start it, the best part is this particular software already mounted this the 8086 folder that we had to do every time manually. So this is the best part. Now you can compile the program like usual, and you can run it with the help of MASM and link. Thank you.